有请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
让我们来听听客家和世界上的节庆会碰撞出什么有趣的火花。
Hey, what's up? It's time for the World of Hakka here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and now that we're in the month of March, a lot of flowers are blossoming around the world because it's springtime, including the Netherlands, known for their tulips. You know, tulips actually represents love and wealth. Speaking of which, back in the 17th century, tulips were so expensive there was an economic bubble that happened called the tulip mania. The prices of tulip were as expensive as 10 times one's annual income. That is so crazy. But nowadays, if you want to enjoy some tulip, you can go to the Tulip Festival in Amsterdam that is happening this month, March, all the way till May. And here in Taiwan, of course, we got a lot of beautiful flowers too, including the Hakka tongue blossom that's coming up. So we have Mei Jiang to tell us more about it. Hello, Mei Jiang.
大家好，我是Mei Jiang。
是的，现在开始哦，在这个荷兰的这个郁金香花季啊，
对，
从3月到5月，听说很漂亮。
哇，
女生都爱花吧？
不止爱花，其实呢也很喜欢种花，
也很喜欢种花。
不过呢，共都郁金香的盛开啊，刚刚好跟客家的油桐花是一样的时间哦。
差不多哎，好像油桐花是4月、5月的时候，
对，差不多。而且油桐花也叫做捏蟹
啊，对，就是在5月看到这个所有的花瓣掉下来，好像在下雪一样，
非常漂亮，
超级漂亮、浪漫的。
那说到客家的油桐花，你知道为什么油桐花对客家来讲这么有代表性吗？
就很漂亮嘛。
不只是漂亮，其实呢，油桐树、油桐酥对客家先民来讲是非常重要的。在以前的客家庄呢 ，tail 拜呢，他们都是用油桐籽来做榨油啊、防水啊，还有油漆，是他们经济上面非常重要的支柱。
对，所以这一棵油桐树，它有好多的功能在哦。
对，所以要追客家妹要用什么？
油桐花。对，没错。
那不只是这样哦。说到这个浪漫的事情啊，现在也很有代表性的就是美丽有这个油桐花婚礼。
哦，这好像举办了几年了，对不对？
对啊。
那特别是一个油桐花的婚礼。
对，你结婚了吗？
还没有，
还没有，那还来得及。
我还是有资格去这个报名。
不会规定说一定要Hakka尼客家人才可以报名哦。
太棒了！
对，欢迎大家来参与哦。
Wow, that is so beautiful. You can actually enjoy your own tongue blossom flower wedding because they have that annually in Miaoli. All right, let's teach you some of the phrases. 我们来教几个单词好了，包括桐花怎么说？
桐花。
桐花 and then a wedding 婚礼。
婚礼。
婚礼 and why not the groom and the bride? 新郎跟新娘呢？
新郎。
新郎。
新娘。
新娘 groom and bride. And there you have it, a romantic round of the world of Hakka.
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.